by her friends, born on February 13, 2015, in Teresa Rizal. She is 9 years old from Por, Bato. Her parents are Harvey Hesritas and Sherry May Hesritas. Her favorite foods are nilaga and fries. Favorite subjects, mathematics and EPP. Greatest fear, her bad dreams. And ambition is to become an engineer someday. And she believes that take small steps every day. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 9, Alicia Gretel S. Hesritas.